One should now start. Let me just. Yep, we are now live in YouTube. Why is that? Okay, it's loading. And now we should also start here in Twitch. It's still offline. There. Okay. Yep, I think we are live. So, hooray! Yay! So, I'm gonna explain my programming language. Yay. Yay. So, should be 0 views for now. So, let me just put on my music. Just a second, just setting up some stuff. So, updates. We have ID strings now and threading. Oh. Okay. So, yeah, we have threading. Myla also supports threading. Cooperative threading. Var th is equal to thread dot make. Working. I think there was an env bind, but I'm gonna just a second remove some of the stuff that I don't need here. Oh, what's that's okay. So close that. Now here it is. So we need. Where is it? I know there was. I know I created some env stuff. As opaque. What? I am not hallucinating, am I? I know. Oh, okay. So I didn't. What? I am confused. Let me just. Why is this small? So we somehow. Oh, this. Oh, actually, that's alright. Wrapper roll. Unknown on. Dump vars. Those are the files. We don't have any environment manipulation whatsoever, so we're gonna do that. We need to vars bind. So we're gonna call it a vars bind. So basically we're just gonna pull. Oh, whoops. Now we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna return vars.bind. Oh, actually we only need one. Bind name string expected an argument, and then we can just go here, return 0. In here, basically, let me just. So now it's much better. There we go. What the hell? So we have that. Now here is just a chair. I'm not muted, am I? Okay. That's way too low. Let me just mic. Okay, no. We just need to bind it. So we're gonna go value star env get v is equal to env get env. Oh, env get string. Oops, get string rv0 rv0. What the hell? What? Oh, I was pressing the wrong button. Now we just go in, we set local, and that should be good enough. So we should have a parent. So get string argv0, and then set the value there. So now we need to check. So we're gonna go here. Star parent. It's equal to env. Okay, so we need to find a parent, make that parent, otherwise we use the env itself, because that would mean we are in a global scope. Parent. So yeah, that's cool. Now we can just go here, working. So for each num range 10. So we're gonna go here, go for functions. I mean threads. So you're gonna go oh, I forgot that doesn't. So list dot append threads. Do that. So what we're gonna do now is for each thread in threads, we're gonna join them. So thread dot join thread. We're gonna go sleep 10. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bind num. So vars dot bind num. Now we're gonna, oh, what the hell? I accidentally dragged it. Oh. So we're gonna go here. Myla, build. Oh, not this one. This one. What the hell? And then here. Ah, no. What was it again? Vars bind. So vars. We don't have vars yet here. So we're gonna add that. Need this one. So we're gonna go call it vars. Go here, bind. Local. Globals. Yeah, stop. Check. Where the hell is it? Did I miss it? Oh, there it is. So those. So yeah, local, global, get, and set. So that's for, yeah, we need to fix that. Learning C. I am learning C by making my own programming language. Where was I? Yes, adding stuff. So bind locals. Local, globals, rem, set. We need to, yeah, about that. Get. Nice. So let's see. First, bind local globals. Get. We need set local as well. So now here. We're gonna implement that, and then again for bind. Sure. Just a second here. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Set local. So, what do you know about... Where was that? But anyways, where was I? Yes. Forgot. The bind. What the hell is it? What? Oh, there it is. Bind. So we should have it here in Olamila. Yep. There it is. It's highlighted as well. It's cool. And if we run this, so make... we should not get any... C. I'm learning C. How can I get rid of that thing? Yeah, so now just here set up some stuff. I was in examples, all of Mila. Okay, it's problem. See, so it printed this, and then when it got here, it just died. So even if you get... What happened? Oh, we did not check if it existed or not. Sublime text. I'm using Sublime text. We just search. Okay, so it's still a mistake. So keep... Okay, so we... What? What do you use? Oh my god. We just set local, so that increments the ref count. Why is it not working? For env get eval primary. It was freed in 1980. Free eval statement. Sure, I'll just 5605. 5605. I'll do it after the stream because I am currently busy. Oh, what? Yeah, this is the for each logic. So we need to retain it again. Okay, now it's thread requires ID. What? Yeah, that's here. Oh, it reached this. So we're there. We're almost there. We're almost there. And it's not... Something is off. What? That's weird. What? So first of all, we're getting a heap use after free. Yep. And then we do that, we do those. And we get... So, it's the environment that gets freed, but... Chotto. Oh, right. We just... No, we sleep there. Ah. That may have caused the error and... Okay, no. So what else? Envy gets... Minor free, envy... Call function... So it was... Yeah, we made the thread. Then it said it freed it. Why would it free it? T0 is the main program. This is 5599. 5599? 5599. So 5599. So it was allocated there, and it was freed in 5605. This. It's no, my goodness, it's talking about thread. And a thread, the environment itself. So it's, where was I? Yeah, this. So you're telling me if I change this into a no, thread make into that virus bind. So that's a problem. That's a massive problem. I hate this. But that shouldn't cause any problems. No, that shouldn't cause any problems at all. Because we're not reading variables from the scope of the for each loop. So shouldn't so yeah, it's trying to read the environment, but it failed because apparently the environment doesn't exist anymore. That's annoying. How do I check if the environment exists or not? That's just basically impossible. Unless I revamp the environment, which would kill memory usage. It's not that a lot, it's only 2 megabytes of memory usage, I believe. Holy, what? How much? What? I hope I'm misreading that, because that's telling me that's eating 15 terabytes right there. Not petabytes, what the hell? Kilobyte, so, oh wait, no, this, more than, okay, so yeah, what the hell? So yeah, it's 24 megabytes. Oh, it's in bytes, this is in bytes. So this is kilobytes then. Yeah, this is, oh, it's still telling me bull crap. This is wrong. Maybe it's telling me the address or something, and then I just did it wrong. But yeah, it's using 24 megabytes, which is not bad actually. Wait, how do I get memory usage? And who cares? Oh wait, we can just look at here. Python. Where's Python? There it is. Using 0.4, and I have about 4 GB. So that's, I hope that's not true, because that's 4 gigabytes and it's saying it's using 0.4%. That's 0.4%. That would be 0.4%. So 16. So if that was 4,428 times 0.64, it's using 16 megabytes. It's not bad. We're actually using more memory than Python is. So this doesn't work. So let's see. Why doesn't it work? Yeah, let's leak memory intentionally here and not free the environment. Where's for each? There we go. Where's the environment? Oh, there it is. Boop. And if I am correct that it's because it's accessing the, it should, yep, there it is. Now it's gonna print a bunch of crap because, yeah. Just a second. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, no, it's joined, that's why. Let me just, it's 10 seconds, was it? Just 1 second. So, yeah, there's no 11 because the environments aren't freed enough. So, working thread number, then add num. That's actually, yeah, null. Why would it be null? Excuse me, but it does exist. There it is. What is your problem? That should have existed. Oh, let me just that should have existed, but it did not work. Oh no, I just set it there. Vars bind, yeah, there it is. So if it's not value, we return v null. Let's return v error. V error. Vars that bind name string variable %s does not exist. Get string rng0. We already check if it's okay. Let's see. Num does not exist. Hooray! Hooray! So we check it here. Oh, should be in 3. Let's check again. Oh, you suck. We'll see. Variable num does not exist. Cool. Why would it not exist? I'm stupid. I am stupid. No, we create an environment ourselves, so the threads aren't. The threads don't touch the parent environment. Yeah, there it is. We create our own environment. So we can't really. Oh, that's actually a pretty cool idea, but not for now. Because, yeah, look. Oh my god, why? Son of a gun. When we create the list, it starts creating the next, so it's been freed already. That's what. That's why. So we need the variables to be. Oh, that's actually. That's. Oh. I just thought of something. That. Yeah, because it immediately runs or only runs after the loop. So that's what happens. So if you go time sleep 1 outside here, it should now work. But also it finishes because, yeah. So we're gonna put in here, we're gonna only make 3. So we can now free the environment as well. And yeah, there's no errors. Except that one. Why is it? There's still memory errors. Probably because I did the retain here. So it's null. What? Choto, was? What? It's probably because, yeah, it's a, oh, whoops, we don't support, yeah, let me just a second. Parse. Eval primary. Lists, there we go. So we go to list, null, so no, yeah. So then we append stuff, that is, yeah, we're just gonna go over here. If source peak s, okay, so I'm gonna skip ws here, skip the white space, is not equal to the closing bracket. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. It's perfect. YMCA. YMCA. Threading. So join. When we join something, we need it to be YMCA. YMCA. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Da 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 na 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 na. YMCA. YMCA. I am just vibing to the music here. Speaking of vibing, what was I? This is what vibe coding is meant to be, okay? You just code and then you vibe. You vibe code. You vibe while coding. Not use AI. I'm just vibe coding here. YMCA. Instead of the YMCA. alive. Staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. New sequence T. I'm just gonna use a U in 64. What if I just... Should be enough actually. Oh, whoops. That and... Oh, okay, it's not enough. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. Well, wait. But it was here. See, yeah, it's there. It's literally there. it's there. Oh my god, it's there. It's included. Oh my god. Okay, who cares? Oh. Actually, no errors. Oh, what the hell? What is your problem? What is your problem? Not an expansion, yeah. So it doesn't know what you sleep on. You sleep not in Unicity. Yes, I have no choice. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Let's close that. At least we'll have this. So, is time here? F time. Oh, that age. Nope, it's inbuilt in. So I guess we're gonna define it just above here. I don't understand. Why? Why? Sleep MS. Arigato. Onrei no na Neguri baito no tokai. It's in time that edge, which I include there. Why is Gemini hallucinating or something? Nano sleep. It's a POSIX function uses suspect. It is well, it is superior to sleep, or you sleep because it doesn't interact with signals. Oh, okay, that's cool. Nano sleep, strong. Okay, type of sleep. What is happening? What is your problem? What is your problem? This is the definition of the function nano sleep. It is. I'm using C23, so let's use C11. Let's see if that's there. Okay, now we don't have Starcom. I mean StarDupe. It's on CTX on kill in minor threading. So, StarDupe. There is our StarDupe. It's still not deal. What if we just unspecify standard? Now it works. Now it works. Splendid. So we that wasn't enough, but you know that, yeah. Yeah. How great. We're just gonna ignore standards. We're not gonna be stuck on one standard anymore. Because we won't give a hell. Okay, so now that's there. Hello. Let's try 100 milliseconds. That's essentially 1 second right there. Oh, that's not. Oh, that's milliseconds. Okay. My name is Ren. I cannot disclose my real name. Actually, wait. I have already disclosed my real name. It's Darren. Darren. That is my name. My first name. My alias is, well, the channel name, Ren. Actually, my nickname, not an alias. So that works. So that should work at 500 milliseconds, I guess. Yeah, it did. Okay, so those were. That wasn't. That did. C. Oh, my programming language, Myla. This is it. I'm trying to fix it right now because this is not milliseconds at all. Why is it microsecond? Yeah. Why is it microseconds? I'm expecting milliseconds because it's MS. What? I hate. There we go. What? Bro, what? That is 1 millisecond. This should be half a second. Half. Okay, we're good. And so, yeah, I am programming in C, fixing my programming language, basically. So, yeah. So that works. Wait, where's that 0? Oh, it's this. So let's put my two favorite numbers there. Okay, good. 10 milliseconds was enough apparently. Let's try, just a second, single. Yep, it works because this cleans up the environment too much and it ends up accessing random stuff. So there we go. That works. So, where was I? Oh, yes. Got that. We have threads and stuff. Oh, that's actually much more better. But not now. We have threads and stuff. For me, it took like a week. But I have programming languages older than this one. But it's written in Python. It's called DPL. And it's 3 years old now. Wait, 3 or 2 years old. So, yeah, it's this one. This is my programming language. And it's, where's the oldest? So it's 500 commits right there. So, the oldest, yeah, but how do I order this? But yeah, the first commits was in 2024. It was, yeah, let's try July to August. The first commit is bound to be there. Oh, not there. September. I know there's commits there. That's weird. But yeah, the very first version was this one. It's, yeah, there you go. So yeah, as you can see, 2 years ago, that's my programming language. So it takes about a few days to start making a programming language, and depending on the complexity, it would take around a month to complete it. JavaScript was made in 10 days. Sorry, 10 days. It was created in 10 days. So that's why JavaScript is messy. Look, this looks like JavaScript by the way. So we have that. There we go. Just refresh this again. So yeah, for me it took me like around a month to create the programming languages. This one took like a month to prototype. So this actually I created it last year, but I started updating it again just recently, like last month, and I've added a lot of features like this. For each loops wasn't a thing, as well as ranges. It only had while loops. It didn't even have break or continue, so it was messy. So I updated it, and there's more stuff now, as you can see, and it can run Raylib. I would love to see Choding do a Raylib speedrun here. He will probably find it like fast to do, simple to do. So yeah. Anyways, where was I? Constants. Not constants. Values. In your POV, which Linux issue is best for Android software development? If any, so Linux distro, huh? if it supports the tools that you need, so Android SDK and stuff, as well as what is it, Android Studio? If it supports that, then you're cool. I don't really have any tips for Android development because I haven't tried it yet. Although that would be pretty cool. I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, just any distro that would support the software that you need. What the hell did I? What? Oh, I was gonna type null. My brain is half dead. So go true false non null. Types. Oh, not type of. Oh yeah, I forgot. We do have unsigned big numbers. What else? Hexadecimal 0x. U. It should work. So once that's done, yep, that is int float u int b float int u int b int. So those are the unsigned. So that's the unsigned normal hex. Yeah, so there we go. Unsigned long. Not 128-bit int 128-bit int and 128-bit float. C long, C double, C unlined. Yep. So int float uint int uint bint still bint and b floats. It's like this. Are there any plugins that implement the align? Emacs has align, right? So how do I use this align? So align key bindings. Control A align. Control Alt A. So let's try it. So sample we have. Okay. Well, at least we have sample of that mess of indentation and stuff. So we just Control Alt A. Control Alt A. It's not working. Control Alt A. It's not working. Preferences, key bindings. CTRL plus Alt A. Okay, so that's not being overloaded. Preferences, settings, not here. Preferences, package settings, alignment, there it is. So settings, user, nope. Oh, take it. Close without saving. Preferences, settings. Oh, not that there. What the hell? Package settings, alignment, default, alignment characters, align indent. Okay, midline tabs. No, alignment characters. Okay, so what if we add our? Oh, I can't. So let me just copy paste this project. Package settings, alignment. Oh, settings user. Okay. Oh, whoops. There we go. So now it's not working. It's not working. Project preferences, package settings, alignment, settings, syntax specific user. Oh, what am I supposed to do here? Close without saving. What? Preferences, package settings, alignment, there's no. So those are the settings. Key bindings, default. It's just, yeah, Control Alt A. So what if I try it on, like, yeah, C. So for example, that happened. Can I Control Alt A it? Nope, it's not working. Nope. Left or right Control Alt A don't work. Why are you not working? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to use this anyway? I am holding it down. So yeah, no, it doesn't work out. Let's do that, I guess. Guess that works actually. Huh, weird. So that's sad. We can't align normally. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, this string. Whoa. What the hell? String. C string. Yeah, I kinda. There we go. Wait, I can open packages, right? There it is. It's not here. So, my back hurts. Oh my goodness. So yeah, values, true, false, non-nil. So let me just indent this so I can explain one clearly. When a variable is set with a sentinel value. Alright, a sentinel value representing sentinel representing no value sentinel representing the value doesn't exist. So if I read a variable that doesn't exist, some random variable, we need to put this before the threads. So there we go. Uh, yep. So it's no, yeah, it was this part. We do have assert, right? So we don't, yeah, everything. Oh, what? No, I was, built-ins, assert. Oh, we do. Cool. There was like assert. I know there was like, I am misremembering something. Was it here in DPL? I don't think so. I think I did implement it in Myla. Let's check the first. Yeah, that's a ton of stuff. Yep. Weird. We don't have assert. That's the other kind of assert that I put here. Huh. Huh. Oh, that was. Yeah, no, I remember now. Yeah. It was DPL, not Myla. So if you go to DPL, lib, core. No. Standard. Was it tests? That's bprint. Yeah, here's assert. And then assert. No, it's not here as well. Weird. Oh yeah, that's just Flask. Weird. Examples. World facts. Oh wait. In tests, I think I used that specific assert. Oh no. Let me just check that again. Libcore. Pipe parser. Oh, no. Info. I swear there is like a list of sentence. Oh, okay, so I guess I removed it. It was a fun Easter egg as well. What? Those contributions, 7 42. So yeah, I guess. Oh, not PPL. I meant Maya. So there we go. We have that. So anyways, we have assert, so we can use that. Asserts are also available. You go assert. Oh yeah, it's highlighted. Condition here. Message here. Since that's truthy, that won't leave an error. But if I put it false there, condition goes here. So we can go here and then basically go catch. Yeah, that should, yep. So if we go print out an error, name this. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait. It was stuck. Hello? Okay. That's not supposed to. Oh, what the hell? Catch. Was ist die Problem? Ist die Problem? We skip the oh. Huh. What? So it was this. So what's the problem? What's the problem? Why can't you? Oh. No, but we do that there, so let's see ID. Oh, here. So we just do that. Oh, oops. We just do that, and it should work. Yep, it works now. So that's cool. Yay! So now we just go here. That's a ton of bugs that I'm catching today. Yeah, so we got the dictionary. So should we take a break or not? You know what? Because I am feeling a little bit, I don't know. We're gonna fix the library system. So we go in Mila. Oh, whoops. Run. Oh, no. Init. Dot local. Lib. Mila. Letters that Mila. So there we go. So var letters list. So we actually don't need that. What we do need is this. So that's how we write lists, and then we just go mayhem. What the hell was that? String. Our string. If we what? So that is there. If we have like a backslash n. C is equal to we go source.get. That's the next character. So C is equal to source.get. That's it. We just get the next character. So we shift it. So now if we make Mila and we go test, prints test. That what? Why is there? If C is not equal to a quote. So the quote C is equal. If C is equal to that, go to cleanup, and then here we're gonna oh my god, why won't use the oh my neck. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wait. Just hold the mailer. Yo. I guess I have no choice, but... Oh yeah, because... Oh yeah, I see. Oh, but we can only... Wait, what? We can't read it? It's fine. Yo, the witch dev. What's up? Why did you call for my attention? It doesn't... Why is permission denied? It's weird. Where's the command? Did I... What? Just a second. I'm back. Yeah, there was just someone here. So yeah, I have arch. So it's octal, that's decimal. Slash d slash d. Nope, this is sway. There. Well, oh wait, no, yeah, it is. No, not Hyperland. I do have Hyperland, but I don't use it. It's hard to set up. Well, it's already set up. I did some setting up, but yeah, I have my configs here. I have tons of quality of life stuff here, and yeah, there's tons of. There's also this. Every I have everything in hotkeys. My programming language. Right now, I'm just updating the syntax because I am getting annoyed by where is it? This. It's not highlighting properly. Just a second. Let's move that there. I'm just checking the specs basically. So we need to move this up. Yeah, now that works. This can be multiple. So, oh no, use that. It's N0 or X. It's a hobby for me. I like programming a lot, even though it does make me suffer most of the time. It's fun. It's fun to program. Okay, that works. So what's the whoops wrong. Where is the I am not a dropout. How can I be a college dropout when I'm not even a college student yet? So there is column H. What? Line and column. Oh, okay. So let me just copy paste this. Nice. All right. We all make mistakes. So that should be 0. Then here, yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I think it's 1 based. Oops, it's 1 based. So why is it? Fast. What are the things above? Are the tabs? They seem like Steam Tracker. Yep. Those are the workspaces. So I have them set up. So I have main, code. So I'm doing this in order. This is super 1, super 2, super 3 is the search, super 4 is the stream, and private is private. I can't show it. Why is it not working? Oh, now it does work. Oh, it is here. Okay, so that's... Yep. What? Move up n lines, move down n lines. Okay, so that's cool. Weird. Why is it that? So we can make a function print letter. So we're gonna take in the letter index of this. So we're gonna go letter println letters. Oh, what the hell? Why did I call that? Letters, letter, and then here we're gonna move the move to the right. So what is it? Move up and down, forward. So we see we need that. So we go here /n27 C. We're gonna move 3 lines to the right, actually 4, It's a space. So I started programming in the pandemic because I was bored. I saw some cool Python tutorial and there it is. It just went on. I just started programming in Python, and I've only started programming in C recently. And yeah, I just like programming. I just It's a natural talent, a skill, not talent. It's a natural skill for me, basically, at this point. We should do it after we print the letter. Print letter. So one. Oh. We all have our regrets. Okay, that's because we print that, so we just do that. We just go with flush. I know we have that. Make sure that that's flushed. It does not work. Oh, because of the new lines. Oh. Then we make sure that that doesn't advance. So H is oh. Specific. So I need just to move up. No, I need to go at line. So we have that. But it also resets the position. That's not supposed to be there, so it overwriting. Oh, alright. Bye. What the hell? What the hell? What is it? Oh, I guess we need to track the columns. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go set column was equal 4. Ago he was big and strong. Move down. Oh yeah, moving down. So we only need. I don't need it to start in. So whoops, unsee. So let's go back. Down and lines B. So we just do that. B1. So crap. We need to do it for every character. Oh, we can just patch it. string that match. Oh, that should be syntax related. No billions. Selenium syntax string stir. Oh, it's stir. Oh yeah, it is. So we replace backslash and that with oh, I did E. Whoops. Ah. H. Ah. Oh, viva la vida. It's playing. Oh. Oh, G is column. Oh, we got it working. We got it working. Almost. We got it working almost. But it's there. It's there. What if we 5? Oh, it's working. It's working. Okay, that's 2 spaces though. Yeah, 2 spaces. Knew it. Reason I can't explain. Call my name. For each data, the range of list.len letters print letter A B C D E F. Yep, it works. It works. Yo, Safal, how are you? I am streaming right now, as you can see. each after this. There we go, we have G and H. Programming. So like I'm trying to like just create letters to print, as you can see, to display, as you can see. Okay. Now we have L, simplest one yet. We have to do it like that way. Okay, that does not. Oh, great. How do we do this? N. Oh, there we go. N. We have N. That is hard to look at. I'm gonna change that. We are going to O now. Boom. MNOP. I'm Darren. Darren chases Papa. Yeah. Q. I don't know. I am not aware. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, good. 17 to the rest of the listed letters. Okay, cool. I am not aware of any relatives that have come from Nepal. Or okay, that's messed up. Oh, we didn't set the column to 0. 1, I mean. If you can you say the name of that person who came from Nepal? Maybe that way I can identify further. QRSTS. I think I have seen it on the news. Am I supposed to write S here? Oh, I guess. Yes, pointy. There I go. Yes, that's S. Oh, wait. No, that would look like, yeah. That's S for snake. I have it backwards. Oh my goodness. I have it backwards. I have the S backwards. So, where was I? S. That's why it felt something was off. That wasn't an S. That was a Z. Zuzin. T. Oops. Oh, wait, no, wait. You. Oops. What? UVW. W Linux. How would I write X here? Oh, I guess not. How? Oh, that's cool. That is very cool, having a prime minister that's a rapper, and then a home minister as a DJ. Who is it? That's a DJ. That's cool. Our government is still run by animals. You can practically call our government a zoo. There we go. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. so we can practically write stuff. So we got the logic there. We have every letter. So all we need to do is do that. So if we go here, if letter, I don't know, we won't handle that there. So fn print text for each char ch I string text. This still needs some fixing because yeah. So we just need to delete these. And if I go print text, oh whoops, this one. Oh, there's no memory index. And that's surprising. So now that I may have fixed it or not, who knows. We're gonna go here, go fn find index letter, and then for each we need to iterate it. So for num is equal to 0 for each letter in letters. Oh, take care, dude, take care. Ch. We're gonna return num. And here we go, add num set this one called num. So if we go here and then find index ch, no. Letters ASCII, damn it. There we go. There it is. Yep, I'm making a new language. In fact, I'm programming in it right now, and yeah, as you can see there. There we go. We have test. If ch is equal to 10, that. Here, else, elif, no else. So, what do you think about my programming language by just looking at it? Does it look cool? Does it look bad? Is it fine? Oh wait, what's 0? Yeah, set. Okay, so let test. Whoa. It works. Oh, that should be 1. There we go. We need to include. We need to make the font much more better. But yeah, it works. Wow. Test wall. We need to add the letters. Numbers. 2 is just an S. Actually, a Z. It's just a Z. pointy. Yeah, there you go. Now it's a 2. Now a 3. It's just an upside down E. Or not an upside down E. It's an E facing to the left. There you go. So right now, yep, there's invalid expressions and stuff. It's glitching out because we don't have the rest. But if I go here and do that, oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is 0. Oh, it's 0. 0 is first, so I have to put 0 here, which is just O. Where's O? I'm listening to Peak right now. So instead of just, yeah, we need, so 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I could have just, there we go. So now we have 4. Making my own programming language. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh, because we have the rest of the numbers to make. In fact, I'm programming in my programming language right now. How do you rate the number? Oh, that's how you rate the number 5. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Rest of the numbers. There we go. That's the wrong side. 7. We should have, yep, 7. And then 8. Back menu list, what's that? Oh, it's glitching out. What? Why is it glitching out? Weird. Oh, it's, oh, I see. I'll just fix that later. What is a back menu list? I just wanted to learn C better, perhaps. Yeah, that's a better answer. So there we go. It works. We have letters. We don't have a space yet. I suppose we can just handle it here. Yep. So now we can just add a new case here. Elif. Here, ch is equal to space. If it's equal to space, we just move one letter. So now I can put a space there. It does not. It does not like that at all. Why? I am 16. Yep, it is Arch. Where was I? Ah, yes. Why did it jump? That's weird. Test ASCII. Yeah, it jumps 6 rows down. Why? Nande. If we just, what link? I am not from India, but please do not discriminate people from India. Oh, repo. You weren't specific. You weren't specific, okay? You weren't specific. Don't blame me. Here. So we have that. There is the space. Unless I made a bug. How would we'll see. So this done. Okay. Oh, great. Up there. Oh, I see. Well, it's actually much more worse here in the Philippines. You don't see a lot of skills here. Most of us are idiots. Our government is composed of idiots. Are. Oh, no. Yeah, no. Correct. So, yeah, I'm from the Philippines. So, what's wrong with this? Why is it? I'm pursuing my master's application secretly in my last semester. Cybersecurity, huh? Learn C. Learn C. If you learn C, you'll understand all of the problems that's happening in cybersecurity. How you can exploit an application. That you can also study social engineering, because in modern times that's what you're gonna use, and what you'll need to fight against. So because most systems are secure now, what they use is the people who are operating the systems. So yeah, social engineering. Well, start by creating your own projects. That's what I did, and here I am after like a few months of programming in it. Yeah. No, that's not what he just means. He also means how to learn the language itself. So in C, there's tons of sources, but I recommend looking at those short tutorials rather than the long ones. You only need to learn the basics. Once you learn the basics, you can build on from that. So yeah, start from the simple stuff, and then start creating projects. Exercise your skills, basically. So there's space. Oh, I did +6 on the row. I'm stupid. How did I not win? This was meant to be column. Why is it +1? Oh no, that's correct. So yeah, just commit to the bit. There it is. There's the space. Instead of that, what if we made it half a cut? That looks better. Looks better. You can't read it though. No one can read that. I'll improve this. So try Hackminol isn't for beginners, or something I am missing. So hacking is definitely not for beginners. It's not for beginners. You need to understand how a computer works and stuff. Not everything. You just need to learn how memory works, and why memory safety is the main problem in exploits today. Actually, there was a recent malware. Malware. It targeted like Safari in Apple devices, and once it infected your phone, it can take control of your phone basically. So yeah, it's pretty scary. All because of a because of a memory problem. I forgot the name of the malware, and was it CSE? I forgot the CE, the ID of the report or something. Yeah, you just this is the only essential part of the code. So don't panic because there's tons of sources. Actually, that would help you, so you don't need to look everywhere. And C is a simple language, unlike C++ and C sharp. So even though there's tons of sources, they're probably not far from each other. In fact, some of the sources might even be from the same source that they found. There's also, I think there's copies online of the C programming language book, but that book isn't needed to learn C, because it just explains everything to you, which you can find online already, and tutorials. It also explains how the compiler works, so unless you're planning to make your own C compiler, you don't need to understand everything, but you still need to know some of, you know, the standard, the practices, and such. Object with syntax is a typo. Null the reference. What is that? C need some improvements. Object with what? What? You're I am. Please clarify what you're talking about. I am. If name bug, we should have object name return vtag error. Where did you find? What line is it? Wait, object with object. Oh, not there. Object. Is it this one? It's this one, isn't it? Object with syntax is a typo, null the reference. What? What type of object with? Oh, that case. Oh my goodness, I am so slow. So with. Oh yeah, thanks. Thank you a lot. I did not expect that. Sending from for object. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Now, name. So that should give a clear name. So yeah, thank you, dude. Thank you. Did not realize at all. So yeah. So you were talking about this syntax. So if I did this, oh. Object person with the, yeah, you're talking about this. So of course it would work, and I can even print person. Oops. Person, and it would have a reference to that string, and when this, if I did that, if I'm correct, as long as this exists, that should be after. So this is a value star res, return res. Oh, forgot to make it. Let's see. What do you mean? Are you referring to something to build your own language, or for going all alone from scratch? From scratch how? Oh. Oh my goodness. Why is it there's tons of typos? That should also be with. Okay. So also. Oh goodness. 1589, 1605. Catch block cleanup is unreachable. Memory declassified code. Catch block. I think I. Which? 6. Where's the dead code here? Oh yeah, we don't check if the yeah, no, this is no. This is when, oh no, this is when there's no errors. Yeah, this. So when there's no errors, we still have the ID, and if it's not an error, if it's an error and it's not fatal, we do this. If it's fatal, we return it immediately, otherwise we do this. Yeah. Cleanup is unreachable. Which cleanup? There's 3 separate ones here. Is it? Oh wait. Wait a second. Line says pause and mile free after the else. This. How is it unreachable? Because is error tagged is a separate kind of error. Because the first version of Mila didn't have tagged errors. So here, yeah. What? Huh? What the hell? How did that copy? So let's see. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you for preserving this. Oh my god. So, Catch Logic. This. Oh shoot, I have to go. Yeah, I have to go, sadly. So, yeah, there's a person outside.